Hi, babies. Are we trying to escape? Don't kick Sissy. Dog? What do you think, Evelyn? I wouldn't crawl in there if I were you. That's gross. Posh. Posh, no. Evelyn, where's Doggy? Where's Doggy? Is that Doggy? There's two doggies, huh? What do you think, Abigail? You don't look very happy.